Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to create a professional brandmark minimalist logo with Adobe Illustrator. So why we are waiting? Let's get started.
Everything you know is in your mind. Are you all my personal dreams?
Do you need a professional logo for your company or business? Let's start discussing more information about your work in the Fiverr marketplace. I shared my profile link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to inspire me to create more amazing videos.